Meet the Kakapo, the world's heaviest parrot and one of nature's rarest birds. Native to New Zealand, the Kakapo is a flightless nocturnal parrot with a quirky personality and a face like an owl. These green, mossy-colored birds were once widespread, but after predators like cats and rats were introduced, Kakapo populations plummeted. Today, there are only around 250 Kakapos left, carefully protected by conservationists. Each bird even has a name and a radio tracker. What makes them unique? The Kakapo is the only parrot that can't fly, and instead uses its strong legs to hike miles through forests. And, fun fact, they smell sweet, like flowers and honey. Efforts to save the Kakapo show the power of science, community, and hope. Let's keep learning, loving, and protecting our planet's most amazing creatures.